set, go. We are course 2, chapter 8, lesson 9. This is volume, and we're talking about pyramids and cones today, and I'm Mrs. McCown. Okay, today we're justifying and applying formulas for volume of pyramids and cones. This is benchmark MA7G21. Okay, example number 1. We're going to find the volume of each pyramid to the nearest tenth and estimate to check whether the answer is reasonable. Okay, so let's look at the formula. We have volume equals 1/3 times base times height. That's our formula for a pyramid. So on the line we're going to write, what's the base? Well, base we have here is, Jack?
5 feet.
5 feet. That is correct. And what is the width? Ray? 7 feet. That is correct. So 5 times 7 is? Miss Monty?
35.
35. Yay. Feet. Excellent. And so we're going to put 35 times our height. What is our height? Sophia?
4 feet.
4 feet. Excellent. So 1/3 times 35 times 4. Put that in our calculators, and the answer we get is? Sophia?
140.
Did you divide by 3? That's okay. The easiest way to find this is to multiply these two numbers and then divide by 3. So multiply 35 times 4 and divide by 3. What do we got, Brandon? 46.66666. It's a repeating number, so we're going to round to 7. So it's 46.7 feet cubed. And Dylan? Could you just put 46? It says round to the nearest tenth. So we rounded to 0.7. Good question. Thank you, Chris, for your commentary. Okay, so let's look at the bottom. It says estimate. So if I were to estimate based on what this is, a compatible number, I would say my estimation, 1/3 of 33 is 11. 11 times 4 is 44. So were we close with this estimation? Yes, sure. Go. Okay, we are on letter B. So we have 1/3 times base times height. Now this one looks kind of funky, but our base actually is 30 and 25. So when we do 1/3 times base times height, so I'm going to put, this is a triangular base. Excuse my stylus, it's having issues.
What does that even say?
Triangular. Okay, so when we multiply this is triangular, so a triangle is 1/2 times 30 times 25. So can someone use their calculator to find 30 times 25 divided by 2? Brandon?
Yes.
Do you have your calculator? 30 times 25 times divided by 2.
187.5.
Okay, Amani is yelling.
525.
How much?
187.5.
That's incorrect.
525.
That's incorrect.
525.
I got that answer. JP is on the same page. 375. Excellent. I'm glad you finally got the answer. Okay, so now let's put that
I was even so confused.
Okay, and then the next number, 26, we're putting as the height. So now, what we're going to do, okay, how you do this one is 375 times 26 divided by 3. Can somebody do that for me? Amani?
3,250.
That is correct.
I was wrong.
We're estimating. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply 360 times 25 divided by 3.
3,000.
And you get 3,000? That is correct. Excellent job, Ray. Ray got it. So make sure that it's feet cubes. Now, Ray, can you tell me what numbers I need to fill in these blanks? Thank you, Ray. That is correct. 4, 8, and 7. So when I multiply by 1/3, that's the same thing as dividing by 3. So if I multiply 4 times 8 times 7 on my calculator and divide by 3 and round to the nearest tenth, Imani, what's my answer?
74.6.
74.7. That is correct.
Yeah, that's what I said.
That's the wrong number.
Make sure that you are rounding to the nearest tenth.
I messed up.
Okay, we are on 1B, and we first have to find the base. Chris, can you tell me if this is a triangle or a rectangle? Excellent, it is a triangle. That is correct. So, to find the area of a triangle, I must add 1/2 times base times height. So the base is 9, the height is 19. So if I figure out that my base is 9 times 19 divided by 2, my base equals, Emily?
85.5.
85.5. That is correct. Excellent job. So now I can put in my base, 85.5, and then the last number I have here is my height, that's 12. So now we're multiplying 85.5 times 12 divided by 3. Jack?
342.
342, that is correct. Meters cubed. Don't forget the cubed. We're dealing with volume. Example 2, find the volume of a cone to the nearest 10th. Use 3.14 as pi. We're going to estimate at the end to see if our answer was reasonable. If not, then we're going to reject our answer. Okay, let's look at the formula we have for a cone. It's a little bit trickier because there is a circular base, so we have to go back to the area of a circle times the height and divide by 3. So let's look at this. We have pi, well we said pi, we're going to input 3.14. Dylan, what's the radius?
Okay, radius is half, which is 5, so diameter would be 10.
So all I need is the radius. Thank you. Radius is 5. What's 5 times 5, Dylan? 5 times 5, Dylan? 25. That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Jack, we say nice things. Okay. Multiply by the height, which is 6. So can somebody tell me when they multiply on their calculator, 3.14 times 25 times 6 divided by 3? Sophia.
157. 157.
157. That is correct. Chris, when you put in your calculator 3.14 times 25 times 6, Chris, what do you get?
I have a calculator, so I didn't get nothing.
Excellent. Okay, that is correct, Chris. The answer was 150. Excellent job.
Wait, hold it.
Resuming. This is check it out 2, and the last problem on our notes. We have our volume formula, pi, which is 3.14. If we're looking at this, a lot of you are saying, wow, the radius is 4. That's diameter. What's half of diameter?
2.
2. That is the radius, so 2 times 2 is 4. Height. Height is 7. Now, when I multiply all these together, my answer is?
117.
Emelus? 29.3. That is correct.
You put 3 up there.
Okay, if you need extra help, go back and watch this video again. Ask Mrs. McCowan a question or come in the morning for extra tutoring. This is on your FCAT. Thanks for watching.
Bye.